Okay, you're welcome to this video, and if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button so that others can see this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get over 1 million, page followers on your music page. You can decide to have as many as possible followers you so wish to have. So, the first thing we want to do is go to Play Store. Okay, so you have to go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store and search for Facebook Ads Manager app. Okay, just click on it and make sure you install it. Okay, make sure you have the one that is up to date. So let's open it. Okay, it's on my phone right now, so let me just click on this. Is it Facebook Ads? Then once you click on it, you have to log in with your Facebook account. Okay, so make sure you log in with your Facebook account and make sure that you already create a Facebook page on your account. Okay, so if you have not done that, you can check our other videos on how to do that. So now, how do we get 1 million followers on our page? We are going to be using this official Facebook ads. Are you get what I'm saying? That is, telling Facebook to get us followers who are only interested in our music, our type of music. Are you get what I'm saying now? Who are only interested in the music industry, like who love to listen to music. Are you getting it now? So that is it. So the first thing you are going to see here, you are not going to see anything. If you have been creating ads before, you are going to see some of these things on the screen, and if you have not been creating ads, you will not see anything. So just click on this plus button below. Look at the screen, look at the clicks on the screen. Click on it like this. Once you click on it, then the next thing you are going to do is click on page likes. Okay, click on page likes. Once you click on page likes, then the next page is going to load, whereby you are going to select the picture for your ad. So you can check out the pictures you have uploaded in your page before, and if you don't have any, just click on camera roll. Okay, click on camera roll. Just check the click on the screen and select any picture out of them here. So let's say, for instance, I'm just going to click on this. Let me select this one. Okay, so once you select it like that, then all you need to do is click on this arrow button. You can see here, this forward button you see here. Look at the click on the screen below. Okay, once you click on that, then you are going to input your best. Are you get what I'm saying now? So just edit it, input anything you want. Are you get what I'm saying now? Let's say, for instance, this video, how to get 5,000 followers on Facebook. Okay, so let me just put it like that. You can input your desired text, make sure it's captivating and so interesting. Now you get what I'm saying. I'm just using this as an example, so that is it. Then all you need to do is scroll down, then click on placement. Once you click on placement, then you click on manual. Okay, so once you click on manual, in the device types, leave it in desktop and mobile. Then in the platforms, just click on Facebook. Leave it at all. Are you get what I'm saying? Now click on Instagram, click on clear all, and click on this mark button. In the audience network, clear all and mark button. You don't need all this time because they are apps. You don't want your advert to go to apps. You don't want to waste money. Click on messenger as well, clear all, and click on that mark button. Once you do that, click on this mark button up here, check the screen. So once you do that kind of a thing, then scroll down, check the preview of your advert. I'm just using this as a demo. Are you get what I'm saying? Let's say this is the music advert. Then the next thing you want to do is click on that 4 button below. Just click on it. Then once you click on it, this is where your advert is very important. That is where you are going to actually set the targeting. Okay, so what you actually want to click on is create new audience. Click on it, click on create new audience. Then you can name your audience something like music followers. Okay, so once you do that kind of a thing, then the state or country, you get what I'm saying now, you could just allow while using this app. Then click on this edit icon. Do you understand? Now you could remove United States if you don't want to include United States. Just delete it and search the locations. Let's say for instance now I'm in Nigeria. Let me type Nigeria. Let me search it. This is Nigeria country. Let's say for instance you want to target Kenya. Once you input Kenya, you're going to see some like Kenya. Kenya country, okay, and so on and so forth. If you just want to include some countries or state, click on this mark button up here. Once you do that, then the age, you need to extend it to the age you want. So basically we have between the age of 20 to like 50 who listen to music. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Hip hop music from 20, let's say from 20 to 45. That's the audience. Are you getting what I'm saying now? That's the youthful age by which they listen to music. Then gender, you could just click on all. Are you getting it now? Then in the detailed targeting, this is very important. Just click on include people who match. Click on it. Then what you actually want to do is click on this add demographic interest or behavior. Click on it. Then search for music. Okay, so you are actually going to see music entertainment, people who are interested in music. You could select that. Music videos, people who watch music videos, music industry, their interest, music festivals, pop music, rock music, hip-hop music, electronic music, heavy metal music. So you could just select anyone, like any genre by which your music is under. Are you get what I'm saying now? Or you could just select music in like overall. This is music entertainment. So let's say for instance my music is pop music and rock music or whatever. Then I just click on this mark icon here. Okay, so once I do that, then that is done. We have our audience here. Your audience is defined and has an estimated audience size of 11 million to 13 million people. I get what I'm saying now. So that is it. So what we actually need to do is just click on this mark button here. So once you click on this mark button here, then that is it. Then what you need to do right now is click on this forward button below, and you need to set your campaign budget. So let's just set it to, this is in naira. You can find your own in dollars, so it's still the same thing. So I recommend you, when you find your own in dollars, just use $5 per day. So for this one now, we are just going to use 2,000 naira per day. For this is naira. I get what I'm saying now. So if you are using dollar, just use $5 per day. This is naira. We're just going to use 2,000 naira per day. Then schedule, just leave it like that. Run as continuously. Start now. Are you getting it now? So just leave it like that. Then in the delivery, click on it. Let's just click on it. Leave it in page likes. Then bid strategy, leave it in automatic, and just leave everything here. Don't do anything. Just go back. Then once you do that, just hit this mark button, this blue mark button below on the screen. Are you getting it? Just hit it like this. So once you hit it, then you are going to get to a page whereby you are going to review your order. Are you getting it now? So just wait for it to load. You are going to see your advert preview here. You're going to see your audience. You're going to see your schedule, budget, page like. You get what I'm saying? So you're going to see the page that is connected, blah blah blah, your payment method or whatever. So what you're actually going to do is hit this place order. Once you hit place order, your advert will be submitted for review. That is, Facebook will actually have to check if your advert meets with their policy. You're going to see this, boom, your advert is submitted for review. And the reason why we have account error here is because the advert does not has a fund in it. So if you want to add fund in your account, just make sure you check the link below, or you have any kind of problem with your payment method, just hit the link below. Check the description box. You're going to see a link. We can help you solve your problem concerning that. Okay, so thank you very much. Subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more videos like this.